don't know how I got here. I had a wife, Maria, children to come, too. And somehow I'm in this mess. I didn't deserve all this. But after the Germans shot my mom and my dog and my car and all my things, I don't know how. If only. If only.
You know, you never really know how much you had until you lose it all. I only had one friend in this world. His name was Jimmy. He was a good friend, Jimmy. I like Jimmy. He smelled good. Jimmy.
Sergeant, get in the house!
Damn it, we've got to move up the river.
No!
Jimmy, we gotta keep moving, Jimmy. Jimmy, come on, Jimmy. You're gonna be a great pilot someday, Jimmy. I just know it. We gotta keep moving, Jimmy. You can't let your kids that haven't been born yet down. We gotta keep moving, Jimmy. Come on!
I'll leave you behind, come on!
Son, you gotta go on without me.
Okay.
Wait up!
Sie sagen zu mir, schließ auf diese Tür. Die Neugier wird zum Schrei, was wohl dahinter sei. Hinter dieser Tür steht ein Klavier.